Amongster 1970, and this is the 2012 Kymco Like that I had been working on. Just thought I'd show you some of the features and go over some of the things that I've done to it. So let's get started. So this is the 2012 Kymco Like. This is a 50cc two-stroke, two-cycle engine. It's got belt drive. Let's see what size these tires are on here.
You can see this has got a 12-inch tire in the front. I would presume the back is probably the same. Have a disc brake in the front. Looks like a dual piston caliper.
Have our two mirrors here and here. This is your on-off switch, or your kill switch. This here is your front brake. I think that's the front brake. Check. Yes. This is your front brake. This is your rear brake. And there's also a parking lever on there. I'll get to the other side and show that to you. Here's the start button. Turn signals, left and right. Push to center, or to turn them off. Horn, low beam, high beam. Ignition switch is here. Your low oil light. It's got a clock, and I think it also shows the time that it's running. I'm not sure. But you have a clock here. And your odometer, this has 2,068 miles. Your fuel, speedometer, left turn signal, right turn signal, and your high beam. There's a right turn signal, left turn signal, there's your high beam. To start it, it's in the on position. Hold the front brake or rear brake. And there you go. Down here you've got storage. There's a cigarette lighter or a 12-volt adapter back in there. And right here is your parking brake. Pull this back and then slide that forward. Should work. Have to pull this back and slide this in, and that should lock in place. Your battery is down underneath here. Turn that, lift the seat. You got storage in here. This is where your two-cycle or two-stroke oil goes. This is your fuel tank. To get into that, just lift it and then turn. And then you also have storage back here. And there's a helmet in there. Pretty decent storage. You got your tail light, brake light, turn signals, side markers. Air filters in here. Get screws on there you need to remove to get the air filter off. If the electric start doesn't work, you have a Kickstarter you can use. There are rear passenger foot pegs. This has got a 12-inch tire in the rear, drum brake. I think that's about it. There's not a whole lot to this. Top speed on this bike is 35. I've gotten it up to 35 once before going downhill. You got your turn signal here, turn signal here, and I think these are just marker lights in the front. Let me turn the ignition on. So I gotta put the key in it. Yeah, just markers. I don't know if they come on. Maybe they come on when we turn signals on. No, they don't come on. Maybe they do whenever it's running. And then you can turn the wheel the whole way to one side or the other, and it's got a lock on it to keep it from being easily stolen. These are some of the parts that I replaced on it. Came with an extra belt or with extra carburetor, but I replaced the belt. I replaced the piston and cylinder, and a broken ring on it. Scored up the cylinder. Replaced the output seal on the crank and the reed valve assembly. And I think that's all I did to it. I replaced this brake assembly. This is for the clutch. And I think that's basically it. I think I've gone over everything on it. There's not much, a whole lot to it. To mention that the throttle's right here. And it's automatic, so there's no shifting of gears. For going over the features and what was done to this 2012 Kymco Like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is only a 50cc scooter. Top speed is like 35, downhill pretty much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.